This is the Digex N450 on my trusty Anschutz 2.2. But yeah, enough about the rifle. Let's focus on the Digex. There is only one model of the Digex, and what you'll probably find familiar is the old DigiSight, and the current DigiSight LRF has the same N450, which basically means that's the internal, so same sensor and display. We'll start from the front lens cap pops up. You have got a tiny sort of sunshade in the front, so if you're using it in daytime, it's possible. Going back, you've got your focus. You just twist that from left to right, and you've got a nice groove so you can get a nice grip on it. Back from there, you've got your menu and encoder wheel. So that accesses all your menu, your brightness, your contrast, your zeroing. Your top turret, by twisting and pulling, is where your APS battery sits. And with the Digex, you actually get 3 batteries included. And then going back from here, you've got your IR, which can be taken off and moved to wherever you feel is necessary, because it basically just clamps around the body. And again, that takes an APS 2. So you've got one that sits in the top, one that sits in the back of the IR, and it comes with a spare. On the front, you've got a collar, so if you wind that right back, you can then adjust the beam of the IR to suit. And then once you've got the beam in the correct position, if you twist the collar back up, you can then lock that in position. To turn the IR on, there's a power button on the back, then your brightness dial is on the top. On the other side of the unit, underneath the IR, you've got a cap which comes off, which displays a USB cable that charges the inbuilt battery within the unit. And also, if you want to take any videos or photo files off, you do that way also if you don't wish to use Stream Vision. So at the back here, we've got the power button. So that's what you use to turn the unit on or off. When the unit is powered up, if you want to pop the unit into standby mode, you press and hold that for a couple of seconds. Next to that, you've got the mag button. Next to that, you've got your record button. Again, you can record photos or videos, whichever you choose. So out the box, it obviously comes with an IR, which is almost perfect for the unit out to roughly sort of 100, 120 yards. If you're looking to add an additional IR, one thing I would consider, because this unit's incredibly sensitive and can sometimes get sort of whiteout effect, is if you're looking to get another IR, make sure it is an adjustable one. That way you can suit the IR levels on the evening, so you're not getting that sort of whitewash image. So on the Digex N450, the sensors on these is a 1280 by 720 CMOS sensor. And then on the rear, you have got a 1024 by 768 AMOLED display. So this is the Pulsar Digex N450. There's still a lot to be said for this great little unit. Some people are going thermal. Yes, completely get that. But to me, this is just a fantastic little unit.